I'm going to test the single lens shooting plugin for the RICOH THETA Z1. Click install. It automatically will open the RICOH THETA desktop application. And after it's installed, go to plugin management. Select single lens shooting. I'm going to select it as plugin number 2. Click OK. Let's go to the camera and take some pictures. Press and hold the lower mode button of the Z1 for longer than 2 seconds. This will put the Z1 into plugin mode. I selected the single lens shooting plugin as the second plugin, so press the mode button once to get it to select the single lens shooting plugin, then press the shutter button to actually activate the plugin. There will now be a puzzle piece icon on the OLED. Take a test shot and then plug the Z1 into your computer with a USB-C cable. Let's check out the images, see how they look. After plugging the Z1 into my Windows 10 computer, it appears like an icon. Double click on it, go into Fixed Storage DCIM. There's now 2 different folders. One's 100 RICOH, the other is single lens shooting. Click on single lens shooting. There's a duplicate 100 RICOH, and we have the files here that we just took. There's my coffee cup. As the previous shot was taken in my office in very low light conditions, just quickly went outside in the early morning, took a picture of some flowers. The quality would be fairly reasonable. I think for social media type of purposes. Thanks for joining us. Subscribe to the channel. I'll be adding additional reviews of the plugins for the RICOH THETA V and the Z1. Have a great day.